Well, fostering is fun, it's rewarding, it has its challenges. We have a huge amount of laughs, it's meaningful, it's profound.
And fostering is misunderstood. They haven't ever tried it, so the only way they'll know that it's so rewarded is if they give it a go.
My name's Emma Johnston.
And I'm Joanna Johnston, and we started fostering approximately a year ago, and we haven't looked back. In our jobs, working as teachers, you develop the skills you need. I mean, listening skills, empathy, definitely being able to laugh with these children.
Having a kind of understanding of where they might have come from, which explains some of their behaviours. It's not a case of needing a lot of background training or experience or jobs, it's having lived a life.
It makes you soul search a little bit about your past and what you've been through. You know, those are strengths. You have to explain that to foster children. It's fine to make mistakes. It's what we learn from those mistakes that move us forward in life. And we've seen our young person, she's come on in school, she's come on in the community, she plays football, she does love all of our extended family, and she laughs a lot with Emma's dad too. They play cards and they cheat at card games.
And they've got they've got a special
yeah, they do like a fist pump.
A fist pump and a this and this and that, and he's
in his 70s
and he thinks it's hilarious.
It's such a proud moment when you see her achieving things.
That means the world, doesn't it? It really does.
For her to be happy, and you found it really, really rewarding to experience being a parent for the first time. And Emma's helped me a lot with, you know, not being a parent, being able to look at it from a different perspective. Keeping children local, keeping them near to their birth families is really important, and local authority has been really, you know, a powerful thing.
The support we've had from social services is fantastic. They're always giving us positive feedback and thanking us for what we do.
And the training that's provided and the support that's provided is, you know, excellent.
We've got like a network of other foster carers, we've got social workers on, you know, we can ring them anytime, day or night.
The fostering community, as I've said, is one of the most caring communities I've ever worked in, and I've sort of been blown away by some of the, you know, the kindness we've seen. So many people have told me, I've thought about fostering, but they're sort of scared to take that next step. Please go through the process of the training. They provide the training before you even start. It's called Prepare to Foster, and that course is excellent.
At the beginning, there's lots of different options. Sometimes it's short term, sometimes long term, sometimes emergency, and sometimes when other carers need a break. So we've done a little bit of each of those, but they will try and place children with you that are suitable for your experience.
So you don't have to be in a couple, you can be a single person in a same-sex relationship.
Think about or write down those worries or concerns you might have, and then ask them.
You might be really surprised with the answer. It's been the best thing we've done. We have a lovely quality of life now, and I think it's just enriched us and made us feel really proud of what we've achieved, and proud of her as well, you know. Yeah, the memories and the experiences and the smiles we've seen on these young people's faces will never go away. They'll always stay with us.